Welcome back, guys, Crypto channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Arbitrum ARB USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. Let's dive in. All right, guys, you remember this was an example of a trend line, and one more great example why I'm not use the trend lines or use just for local trades. Because usually this trend lines is just work in theory. So based on all rules, you remember I posted the video around here, so we go straight forward to test 61 level by fee because this fee is still relevant, and I'm going to show you that once again the levels. Here was a impulse, touch, perfect support, bounce. We should touch, hold the line, and go straight forward to the top. People open longs and we crash it down. So usually all of that, like support lines, just all the time. Break it down. And after that, of course, the people withdraw the trend line. And now it looks like this one. And it also can be a mistake. Why? Because we can work with the levels. The next level of support here is 38 cents 28. It's a sweep of this low like 39.91, this low like 36.35, and maybe we're going to drop once again to this block. This is an order block on a weekly time frame. And this is a 78 level by FEEP and 86, 27, 19, 36, 28 global FEEP, what we track since listing. So initiation, accumulation, pump model, what we track on STX since the listing of Arbitrum in March 2023. And all of that levels still relevant. So the zone of fixation, guys, is here. So this is let's mark this as a green one. So this is the best zone to buy. The zone of fixation will be swing trades is here, based on this model. So $1.54, $1.65, this is a zone of fixation swing trades. And of course, I believe the Arbitrum can hit the new all-time high. Yes, I don't think so. The $2.42, it was a high. I'm not count and not pay attention for this week because there is a lot of tokens with the random weeks, and people still believe we can reach that targets. Also, I also explained it you in previous videos. So in many times, in many cases, we come back and close the 50% of this week. So yes, around $5, around $7, it's possible for Arbitrum, I guess. Everything depends of how high the Ethereum pump, and all ecosystem will follow, all competitors will follow. So now locally, guys, take a look. The weekly time frame here, it was a sell and buy back. I bought, you remember, here, and I'm out. Not at the top, no. I bought around 36 cents and I'm out around 53 cents, I guess. And yes, I miss some unrealized profit because I thought also open short, and this 62.59 still in play but not reach it. So why it was here, the notification, because I waited the open short at a weekly gap here. Let me adjust the FEEP. So here was like a logical entry at 38 level by fix 62 cents 64. So this is it, guys, but I will not touch at this level, and I missed the short position. So now I can delete this notification because I don't think so makes sense when we will bounce and go higher again to open short again. No, I think the best case for Arbitrum now, guys, if the BTC go to new all-time high, BTC dominance going down, this is the best case for Arbitrum. Form something like double bottom, and go straight forward to sweep this high like $1.20 and to this block. Also, the people draw the trend lines in this way. So even if they use the line chart, like here's a where that magnet, here's a trend line. So this is what people usually draw it. So touch. And this is a break, retest, and we have to go straight forward to the top. But usually what I notice, that trend lines also work like this one. So something like this one. So hard to say about the timing, but the next step with this drop, I think the next step will be sweep of this high and a rejection at the trend line around $1.32. 85, for example, and go to new all-time high. So this is it, guys. If we check the monthly time frame, I think it's more bullish than bearish. Of course, this is possible, so we can drop in and validate the idea. Yes, of course, guys. There is always 50-50 chances, right? So now it's bullish targets, monthly gaps close. Under is no monthly gaps. Only is next one is here about the liquidity pool of December 24. Here, fulfill $1.44. So I'm more about the bullish target for Arbitrum, not just because I'm like a Arbitrum investor or so. No. I will buy back Arbitrum if we'll drop to 36 or 31. Again, to this block, like 36, 27 cents. So this is my take. Maybe I will add a notification and wait the updates. Take profit indicator here. What I wish to see? I wish to see the buy line on take profit indicator here on the daily. Take profit buy line. This one. So this is what I'm looking for. Now the buy line on a daily, it's 31.05. 12 time frame is 32.89. So I think some of that line is going to be tested. Weekly time frame, we so underrated. But you can open the charts of ICP, how we trade long-term periods around or even on the fundamental value. That's why fundamental value on the weekly time frame on take profit indicator weekly 38.11, but I think we're gonna drop to the daily buy line. Daily buy line now it's once again 31 cents. So for me, it will be the comfortable price to buy Arbitrum again. But guys, it's just my personal idea. You can have your own. ADZ direction. This is accumulation on ADZ. It's good one. No, let's check. This was a daily. Yes, here daily accumulation. Weekly. Weekly just in the middle. So this was accumulation. This was accumulation and formed the variance. The variance on a weekly. Now I don't think so. We're gonna drop once again lower than 25 cents to form the bigger the variance. I think 3 drops is enough. And yes, 36, 31, comfortable price, I think, for Arbitrum. This was accumulation for Arbitrum and the small pump. And now it's just over the middle line. So I can't say it's so extra bullish, but it's not a bearish one. Monthly direction at the bottom, ADZ in the middle. ADZ it's neutral, direction more bullish than bearish. Market mood on monthly. I don't like on a monthly. We're still in A-free zone. Weekly time frame, disbelief. Disbelief, it's good. It's good. But of course, better waits the capitulation zone. How it's playing out previously, you can track on the chart. Here, June 25, capitulation after disbelief. Here, capitulation, pump. From 25 to 62. So you could withdraw on your initial deposit. It's never a mistake. Maybe some... next unlocks will be October 16. Maybe makes sense to drop before the unlock or the after unlock. So here, let's mark the dates of the unlocks here. So guys, it's hard to say, like 12 days before the unlocks. I don't see on a daily some bullish direction data, so we need to see something like this one. Now, not a bearish, not a bullish, just neutral. But I think this is gonna be the best one, the best case for Arbitrum to buy in here before the unlocks, because I think this time the unlocks will play out like bullish news. You know, because before the unlock, you know, they will drop the price down, people open more short, and after the unlock fact, they get the allocation to their wallets and start distributing the higher price target. So double win. Now it's like disbelief, but not a capitulation yet. And money power, the last indicator, guys, here. Daily, no money inflow. The last money inflow was here in August at the beginning one, and also no bullish news here. The money inflow was in March, 25 on the weekly. 2 RSI bullish. The currency we pump over than 200% because Ethereum hit new all-time high. Now nothing. So I wish to see the test, at least the middle line on HTX and the weekly time frame on money power indicator. And here, I guess I get an alert on this indicator. Here, alerts, money inflow still active and still not reached. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us any comment what is your realistic price target for Arbitrum. My zone of interest I share with you in this video. Just please your own idea for Arbitrum and the target. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, use right in the DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.